Hey, Al Williamson, leadinglandlord.com. I am in this Airbnb here in San Antonio, Texas. It's really nice. It's a little condo, and they are doing a fire alarm right now. So the thing is, they jumped on the PA system and told us to disregard all fire alarms because they're doing a test. So they told us beforehand, so everyone's calm and no one's annoyed. Well, no one's startled by this because they told us what they're going to do before they did it. So I wanted to shoot this quick video for you to let you know about the fact that you can do just about anything if you tell people what to expect. Because you're setting up their expectations and you can do just about anything. When you go to try to do rental arbitrage, if you talk to and make an agreement with the owner ahead of time and tell them what to expect, then a lot of the limiting beliefs you have about what you can do melt away. Even with your family members or with your guests that come to stay at your short-term rentals, if you tell them what to expect and do a good job of it in a timely manner, then you can do just about anything. Once their expectations and they agree to it are all aligned, then you don't need to worry about so many things. So I just reminded myself of that point and I wanted to share it with you. Hope you're having a great day. I'm gonna be back in Sacramento and